What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys a video of me doing some minor mods to my 2023 Ford Bronco Big Bend Edition. And this today, I'm not going to be doing too much, but this one here is the grab handles. Since the Broncos only have like this one here, there's nothing really right here. So these are going to be located right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it uses these factory screws in like the pillar up here. So I'm gonna be doing those on all four corners. And we're also gonna be installing this tempered glass for the touchscreen. Been seeing a lot of people do that, so I just wanted to try this out. All these are from Amazon, so I can post a link in the description, let you guys go and purchase them. But we're gonna go ahead and get this install started and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, just got this one off, but it's an 8mm little socket. Just gonna do it to these two. That's what it looks like. But you're just gonna be using this just to basically put it through the rivet and just replace it. So they have two actually right here. I'm just debating on which ones I should use. Let's see. I guess they're about the same distance. I think it would be more natural to grab here. So if you guys think it would be better here, let me know in the comments. But I think I'm gonna go with here. So we'll do that, speed it up a little bit for you on the install, and we'll finish this up. So we didn't run into this problem on the other side, on the driver's side and the back, but we did have this one issue where this washer was just clipping this little area right underneath here. But if you just kind of like, you know, shimmy this washer and still unscrew the screw, it'll get out, but it's just something that we ran into. I'm not sure if that's going to be like that on all, but it's just what we noticed here. Just wanted to add a little bit of color in here with the red, kind of make that my accent color. But overall, this one was a pretty easy install. Now we're going to be getting over to the screen protector. So as you guys can see, this gets pretty smudged up just from being a touchscreen. And I don't like to think that I have crummy hands, but it just happens. So first step here, they send a little directions and everything, but just like a screen protector, you just kind of alcohol it, make sure you get any kind of imperfections off of there. So we recommend having your screen on so you can kind of tell. I hope we like it, because I don't know how to get that off. So now we're just going to do a little video about how responsive it still is. Still looks very clear. Picture quality doesn't look. If you're looking at it from the side, you can kind of see like that little bluish greenish line, but I mean, it's nothing major, not distracting or anything. CarPlay still looks good. Yeah, very responsive. Doesn't seem to interfere with anything or low fuel. I know. Yeah, I think as of right now, this is still a very good option. I think, again, this was probably maybe under $10 for this one. I'll again link the description. I'll put the link in the description below. And yeah, not bad for a Monday little project having this put on. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
There's no going back. She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer.